Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram new font style not showing. So all you have to do now, you can open your Play Store or App Store. And let's start with search the Instagram app. This one. So why you have to open it? Because you need to update your Instagram in order to fix some issues like bugs, minor bugs, and add new features from the Instagram. So let's start to update it first. Now it's only 65 megabyte. So about this app, so here the latest version is 361. So right now it's updated. The last update is 16 December of 2024. Now installing. Now after installation, do not open it yet. You can close your Play Store or App Store. And now all you need to do is go to the application icon. Hold the app icon and tap application info. Here you can tap on storage usage and clear some cache first before you open your Instagram. You may to consider to clear your data, but you need to re-log in. Here let's open Instagram now. And let's create a story first. And see if there is a new font by tap text or font sticker at the top of your screen. And here we go. Now the new font is already installed on your Instagram. There is a new year. This is the new one. It's modern, classic, a signature, editor, poster, and also bubble, deco, squeeze, typewriter, strong, meme, elegant, directional, literature. So feel free to try to add a new font to fix if the new font not showing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.